The new tax is going to be implemented as of January 1st, 2023. My name is Navtaj Shandok from flippingforprofit.ca. We have been empowering Canadian investors since 1993 through the high income skills in the trenches in form of education, coaching, apprenticeship, and real life eyewitness field trainings. So let's talk about it. First and the foremost is the disclaimer. The Word Wealth Builders, Flipping for Profit, and its affiliates do not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. The material you're going to be seeing is prepared only for information purpose only, and it's intended to provide and should not be relied on as a tax, legal, or accounting advice. Please consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any real estate investing or transaction. So, what exactly is flipping in Canada? The Canada Revenue Agency or the taxman, this is the definition: purchasing a real estate with intention of reselling the property in a short period of time to realize a profit. That is called flipping. When the tax come in, the tax will come into effect on the property sold on or before January 1st, 2023. So what's the proposal? Well, the proposal is any property sold within 12 months of purchase will be considered a house flip. Profits, any profit made from this transaction is subject to a business income. Now, who are we? What are we? Canadian investors must remain up to date with the taxes because that's a big portion of your profit. Since April 2005, we have launched a mastermind networking club, and we have been teaching since. And there's something a lot of people don't realize the difference between a capital gain versus business taxes. So this is a huge for majority of the investors, whether you're investing in single family home or you're a professional investor or you're investing in commercial real estate. What is something which is exception is called your principal residence. So when you live in a property, you realize as a principal residence, any gain you realize by selling the property after 1 year, not before that, after 1 year, is subject to tax-free upon disposition, means there's no taxes, whatever the money you make on the principal residence, there are no taxes in Canada. But there are requirements to claim a property as a principal resident. You must be living in the property for a year by yourself, with your spouse, common law partner, or your child. At least part of the year, you must be living in the property. Now, there are some exceptions. If you bought a piece of property, you have to sell it before 12 months. There are 8 exemptions. How many exemptions? Only 8. That include death of the individual or related party, addition to household, breakdown of relationship, a threat to personal safety, serious illness or disability, work relocation or termination, bankruptcy or insolvency, destruction or expropriation of your property. These are the 8 rules which are exempted, which anti-flipping tax does not apply. Now, as a taxpayer or investor, you have to be very careful that you do not want to fall into anti-flipping taxes. So you must hold on to the property for at least a year. And after the year is over, then you are off the hook when it comes to flipping taxes though. Now, there is a very special tip for all of you. If you're a Canadian real estate investor or simply a homeowner in Canada, you are renting part of the property out or something, be aware of it. Anything you generate is considered business income. Now, if you're flipping a property under your own name, you are going to pay taxes as high as 54%, depending upon your income, which province you live in, Canada or territory. On the other hand, here is $1 million advice for you, but you must verify it with your CPA. by a contract, if you have a corporation doing business, then you can be only taxed as low as 9% to 12%. And that it depends from different province to province, by the way. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about real estate, finding distressed properties, please join us at flippingforprofit.ca. We have training called Masterclass. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.